So now we have a empty spot on the intake, both sides. And so it's time to start taking care of some of the fueling. So this is what we got for the Baja project. These are actually pretty sweet. So we're gonna start off with the 9mm Phenolic Spacers. They're designed specifically to not transfer heat from the aluminum block to the aluminum intake manifold. So we got those on there. And we also have the Tgv Deletes. And so those are straight through. And this is the stock fuel rails, so that's what we're deleting. Because even when they're open, there's that bar, there's this bar, restricts flow. Nobody needs tumble generators in a performance Subaru motor. And we have fuel rails. These are from Route 69 Racing. It's also the same guy that did the timing belt stay, the crank stay for the timing belt. But these are really nice. I like them. And they have the dash style fittings and a AEM fuel pressure regulator. So, yeah, pretty sweet. What do they go up to? Centimeter square inch, 100 PSI, encased in water. Yeah, it's pretty sweet. Comes with all the hardware, and we have the injectors in here. These are, I believe they're 1050s, 1050cc injectors. And so these are going to be really nice. So let's see here. We got some sweet parts. We got an engine that needs sweet parts. So let's put this on and get these things going. So yeah, old setup, new sweet setup. So let's do this. All right. So we already got the intake gaskets on. So we'll start with the Phenolic Spacers. Kind of go in just one way. These are cool. I have these on my car. They're not as thick though. I think these are 8 or 9, 8 millimeter. Oh, I think I said 9 earlier. 8 millimeter, and I think the ones that I have on my car are 3. And I kid you not, you can really tell a difference with these things on there, because I'd be running the motor, needing to make a quick change. I'd put my hand on the intake, and it would be, you know, like not that bad. So it was kind of cool. So, oh yeah, so we need a couple different gaskets here. So they always talk about doubling up the gaskets on these things. So you put a gasket on the block, the Phenolic spacer, then another gasket. There we go. All right. So, and we had to go get some longer bolts too, because the bolts that came with it originally didn't fit the spacers, so we had to get bolts that were the 8 millimeter longer. Oh man, this is looking sweet. I like it. I like this part of the engine build process. Snap. Oh. Don't over torque it. Oh. we got the fuel rails on, and even though we're not quite 100% there, we gotta put the intake manifold and see what it looks like, because we got painted it white to match the Brimbos. Looks awesome. So we'll have all the gloss black trim and the bright white everything else. Oh yeah. Oh, now she's looking like a motor. Look at that. That's awesome. Yep, and the fuel rail thingy. That's right. There. We'll have to give it a little more room on the thing here. Like that. There we go. That'll work. Oh, nice. Look at that motor, dude. Oh, I dig it. That's gonna look awesome. Because we also have, we got the timing covers. They're gloss black. Ah, I'm telling you, they look awesome. So between the gloss black parts and the white intake manifold, open it up, white engine bay. We'll have a black top mount intercooler. Oh, this motor's gonna look this motor's gonna look amazing. It really will. So the Baja's an amazing car, the one we're building, so it's gotta have an amazing motor. So here we are. It's looking like it. Oh, that's amazing. It's perfect. Awesome. Well, we need to get the turbo inlet in, so let's get that in. Let's see here. Here we are. Oh yeah, let's take that back off. We don't want anything happening bad to that. Scratch. Alright, so this is, I don't even know how people honestly pronounce it. So, Tomei, I'm not sure. So, that's what we got. They're turbo in there.
Tomei.
You want to go Tomei? I'll say Tomei. So, there we are. And if the intake manifold doesn't look all alien and the headers look alien, I'll tell you what, that sure does. That's funny looking. That inlet's going nowhere. Alright. Well, we're going to have some fun getting some of these hoses plumbed in, but for the most part, we're doing pretty good. We'll need to get the wire harness set up next. Awesome. Alright. Turbo inlet. Now we can we'll do one more manifold set up here. Let's see here. There we go. What am I hitting? Oh boy, what are the tabs, huh? Fuel rail tabs.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, indeed. You have to, man, after it's all nicely painted and everything. You know, the fuel rail, the old fuel rail would bolt to that. Interesting. Yes, it's a big inlet. Yeah, I even thought with the risers too, we didn't have any problems with that. But, man, I'm not about to squeeze that thing to make it work. So, alright. Well, we got some other things to figure out then. Alright, well, we'll come up with a solution. Oh, wait. Oh, hey. Well, Well, if you put the intake manifold, we're not going for the reverse intake manifold setup, so that was funny. Oh, it's amazing how much better that fits when you put it on the right way.
Oh, God.
That's hilarious. Oh yeah, it's perfect. Oh my gosh.
Oh,
dude,
man.
that's funny. Okay. Oh, you can't
Oh,
win. You can't
man.
win. Oh, for crying out
Can't
loud.
make this
No,
stuff up,
yeah,
man.
no, you can't make this up. That's hilarious. I like it. All right, well, we'll keep moving on, man. We're going to get this motor done and ready to get it put in that Baja. So one step at a time. We get closer every single time, don't we? Awesome. All right. Let's do this.